Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to register for the SAT and things that you should have on test day. So you can walk right on in, take the test, and be on your way. To register for the SAT, you want to do it online through the College Board website. The link here on the PDF takes you to this site here. And once you ask to register for the SAT, if you don't have one already, they will ask you to make an account where you'll also upload a student photo. That way it can show up on your ticket, which is one of the requirements on test day. Let's get into that actually. On test day, it's really nice to make sure that you have everything set up the morning before. You want a few number 2 pencils, plural emphasized. Make sure you have that admission ticket that I told you that you're going to be uploading that photo to. But on top of that, make sure you bring like a government ID, whether it's like a driver's license, a passport. You can get like a state ID. If you don't have a driver's license, something like that outside of a school ID. A lot of students ask that question. You cannot bring your school ID because that's not, I guess, like valid enough for the SAT system. Make sure you also bring your calculator. Make sure you're familiar with that calculator. Extra batteries if you need batteries, like for graphing calculators, etc. And then also bring your confidence. I know it's cheesy, I get that, but it's true. At this point, if you're walking into test day, you should treat any exam as just an ability to demonstrate your knowledge. You already done the work. Like studying and homework should be the difficult part of an exam. The actual doing of it should really just be you finally getting it off your shoulders. So walk in there confident, know that you got this and that nothing can surprise you. You know how to approach each question. And if you get, shook up by anything, you can just skip it, come back, and you'll be fine. I do recommend you bring a watch. Sometimes the proctors aren't the most excited people to be there, unfortunately, which is a shame because it's so important to you as a student. With that said, they may not be willing to tell you how much time you have left. There may not be a clock in the room that you can easily read. So bring a watch, bring food, because at most schools will just have a water fountain for you to be able to use. But the breaks in between the exams, you're going to want something to eat. And you never know how cold it's going to be, even in the hottest of months. Make sure you bring a hoodie or a sweater. And if you use it, you use it. If you don't, it doesn't hurt you. I also wanted to go into thinking about where you get the test done. Well, you mentioned this earlier, but still to emphasize, it's really good to make sure that you're really familiar with the location if that's possible. If you can get something that's nearby, so you at least know the traffic patterns, that's better. But if it is a school that you've been in before that's going to make you more comfortable, that's automatically going to have your score go up. So sign up as early as possible. I know some people sign up for multiple exams at once. That's fine. You can do that. But whatever you think is best for you. Let me know any questions. Best of luck. You can do it.